name is Jeyo, and I made this garden, and I planted carrots, tomato, and chili, the long green chili, and I harvested mungo.
Can you open it? Show us.
Yes, I have to take off my gloves.
Nagtanim na, ano na lang, madali na lang
Look.
Oh, that's not a good one.
Yeah, that's not a good one, but
sa lupa.
that's small. And I harvested all of that, and I picked them.
Okay.
Separate the bad ones and the good ones.
Kaya mo beans, mga beans.
I like it.
And we cook it and eat it.
Pwede na nga
Okay.
Hi, my name is Jeyo, and this is my garden.
Yay!
Pero yun nga ho, maganda. Tapos,
Look at that. So good, Kuya.